Here's our forecast for the weekend. We'll start with sunshine, then increasing clouds for your Saturday. Temperatures back into the low 50s, so relatively mild start to the weekend, but then some rain develops at night. And as colder air becomes entrained in the atmosphere aloft and then eventually translating a little bit more towards the surface, we'll see a mix with and a changeover to some snow. And then Sunday morning, there'll be some snow around. Some areas, though, still could be a mix or some rain. So this temperature line is going to set up over us again, determining what type of precipitation and how much. Storm system will get going in the Gulf of Mexico over the next 24 hours. Then it's going to scoot rapidly to the northeast to the Carolina coast and then zoom right by us. In fact, all the precipitation will probably be out of here by Sunday afternoon. So we've got a winter storm watch in effect. It includes the metro area up towards the northern neck, all areas to the west as well. This is in effect right through Sunday, tomorrow night into Sunday. Numbers today 52 and 38, so relatively mild, and I think tomorrow will be another mild day. A little bit on the chilly side tonight, but nothing unusual for this time of the year. Close to the freezing mark with a few readings in the upper 20s north and west. Highs tomorrow back into the low and possibly mid 50s, so a pretty mild day for the early portion of February. Skies will clear out a bit overnight and we'll see sunshine to start tomorrow. Then the clouds will increase in the afternoon. Here comes the moisture from the deep south. Remember, I told you the storm will be taking shape in the eastern Gulf and then heading to the Carolinas tomorrow night. So this is midnight tomorrow night. It's likely going to be too warm for wintry precipitation at the start, so it's just going to be rain. And this is the big question. How cold does the atmosphere get? There are signs that aloft it will get cold enough to mix with and change over to some snow. This is in the middle of the night, tomorrow night into early Sunday morning, a bit of snow over the area, especially as you go north and west of Richmond. This is where it'll stay snow for a longer period and have a better shot at seeing some decent accumulation. Down to the south, looks like it'll go over to rain certainly by daybreak, and maybe even in the metro Sunday morning. We may just have some rain across the area. Notice how it all moves out midday into the afternoon. The sun may come out by Sunday afternoon. In terms of the models, they've been all over the place. Mike Stone told you this a little bit earlier tonight. We found models that have virtually nothing, and then one over the last 24 hours has produced over 8 inches of snow here. That's an outlier, though. The average around 2-3 inches of snow here in the metro area. So here's what we think. South side, very little. In fact, a mix and mainly rain. As you come into this blue area, the south side of Richmond, the potential certainly for an inch or two and some higher amounts as you go a little bit farther north and west, and in particular the higher elevations way out to the west. We'll keep you posted as we go through the day tomorrow, but this is likely to be a mixture of rain and snow. Overnight, partly cloudy and chilly, upper 20s and low 30s. Tomorrow, it's a pretty nice looking day with sunshine. We're up to 50 at lunchtime and highs tomorrow in the low 50s. Rain develops tomorrow night, changes over to some snow or a mixture for Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon, the sun comes out with highs in the lower 40s, and then we are dry going into the beginning of the week. A couple of showers on Tuesday, and late week, a little colder again, and maybe another mixture of a little rain and snow.